Tickets is a help desk inside the school management plugin. Tracks issues, requests, and follow-ups across the school. Dashboard. On the Tickets dashboard, charts show ticket distribution: open, in progress, resolved, closed. Cards summarize totals. Gives a quick pulse of workload and closure. Tickets list. Opening tickets from the left menu. Table is the control room. Title, priority, status, student name, class, role, assigned to, due date, and created on. Scan priorities: low, normal, high, urgent. See exactly who owns each ticket. Need a new request? Use Create New Ticket in the top right. Open a ticket. Open an existing ticket to update it. Edit ticket. Ticket form. Update ticket title. Set a due date. Select class, section, and student ticket is about. Choose role that raised it. Assign to the right staff member. In description, log details or add context. Priority and status. Set priority. Change status, e.g., move from in progress to resolved. Click Update Ticket. History. Every change is logged in ticket history. Who changed it? Status, comment, date. Audit trail keeps everyone accountable. Wrap. That's SM Tickets. Simple workflow to capture requests, assign owners, track progress, and keep a clean history until closure.